What it do, YouTube? 86 Bunny Boy here. I'm gonna show y'all how to install LED in your side marker lights. If you got an old school, way in the car, how to install LED. Alright, let me show you. Just say you got a car like this. This is my old side mark like that I tinted a long time ago. Get you something. Most people like to heat the glue up, warm it up, heat the glue up. I didn't do that. I got something that pried it off and popped it up. That way you see a little couple things broken. Alright, take the tape off. Install your LED. You run your wire how you want to run your wire. LED always comes with two wires. The on wire and the ground wire. You get you a test light and find out which one your wire feed out a signal, hot. However you want, you want to flash with the signal lights or stay on, or cut them on whenever you want to come on. Either way it go. You run a hot wire and a ground wire. Find which wire is the ground, and find which one you putting out a signal. And you run it to how you want, and then you put it back together. What I'm finna do now is go get the side mark like that I tinted, just tinted yesterday. I'm put it on, I got some Loctite super glue. I'm gonna seal around the edges of it real good. I had broke this one yesterday by mistake and glued that motherfucker right back together. This one good shit. I'm not paid by them to advertise or nothing, but this one good ass shit. This shit work. This how you do it. When you seal it, hold it down, press it down, make sure it's good and tight. Then I'm gonna go around the edges again with another seam of the Loctite super glue. Make sure I got a good bond. And that's it. Cut y'all back on when I'm finished with it. That's shit, Bunny Boy. I'm back. This how it look when you put the flex back together. I super glue all the edges, everything back together. I went around the edges twice. Make sure I had good seal. I'm gonna pop these back in and get finna wind them up. Alright, I'm back with them installed. This is how to tint your tail light, your signal light, and install LED at the same time. I don't have nothing, I have one side wired up, but I don't have this side wired up yet. And I really don't feel like it right now, but I'll do it some other time and cut them on, let y'all see what is it. How to install LEDs on your signal light. Alright, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think.